Guess what? The pressure from DeepSeek and Qwen is working. ChatGPT just released their brand new model o3-mini. In this video, we're going to take a look at this, also do some test prompts, and I'll show you the capabilities of this brand new reasoning model from ChatGPT. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, this model just released. Today is February 1st, and this was released yesterday, so less than 24 hours ago. It's supposed to be really good with STEM capabilities. And if you look at some of the benchmarks, if I scroll down on this page, there's some benchmarks. You can see there are 3 different models: o3-mini, low, medium, and high. And it beats all of the previous ChatGPT or OpenAI models. Let's actually test it. And by the way, the way to access this is actually really simple. If you have a paid account, this is one of the paid accounts. Let me close this. And you go here, you're gonna see 2 options: o3-mini, which is supposed to be really good, fast at advanced reasoning. And then you have o3-mini high, which is great at logic and coding. So inside your paid account, this is what you're gonna see. But the good thing is you can also experience or try o3-mini in the free accounts. The way to do it is in the free account. Here's the free account. If you select a reason, it's going to use o3-mini. So you're able to, in your free ChatGPT account, you're able to use and test some of the capabilities. That's something that's mentioned here as well. Now, let's test this thing out. Are you ready for it? So I have some prompts that I want to test. So which one is bigger? Let's not use search. 7.9 or 7.11. So let's see. Here you go. Ooh, that was pretty fast. So it's thought for about a second. And then 7.9 is bigger than 7.11. That's right. And then it gives you the reasoning, the logic, and everything here. Very cool. Now I want to test another one. Let's do a bit complex prompt. Right here, a coffee, let me enter that. A cup of coffee costs $3, muffin $2, bagel $4. You bought 9 items for a total of 25. What are the combinations of coffee, muffins, and bagels you purchased? So a riddle like this have multiple answers, could have multiple answers. So let's see. This is amazing. So in 4 seconds, it's thinking, it's reasoning, it's doing the logic, it's doing the math, and coming up with answers. So let's go back. This is awesome. So yes, it does have different answer, different combinations, because you could have 7 coffees, 2 muffins, and no bagels, 5 coffees, 3 muffins. This is amazing. I remember a prompt like this would fail in the older models, and also a prompt like this also failed in the DeepSeek that I remember. So interestingly, o3-mini is able to find the multiple answers. That's awesome. Let's do another one that kind of involves some logic. So if a train travels at 60 miles per hour for 2.5 hours, then increases its speed to 75 for the next 1.5 hours, what's the total distance traveled? Yes, you might remember questions like this we used to get in our physics class. And here you go. In about less than a second. So see how fast this model is. o3-mini right here, fast for advanced reasoning. So unbelievable. And like I said in the beginning, ChatGPT, OpenAI definitely feeling some pressure from DeepSeek and Qwen. Now let me demonstrate some of the o3-mini high, which is great at coding and logic. So I'm gonna switch to that. And let's start a new chat. So o3-mini high. And I'm going to use this prompt. It's act as a website developer and create a 1-page website for a local gym. And then there's some other instructions. So let's run this. And one thing that I feel that lacks in o3-mini, there's no canvas feature. So I won't be able to see that with the canvas. For things like this, you're able to, on the right hand side, you're able to see the output, you're able to see the final result. But in this case, that's fine. We'll still take the code and see what it looks like and if it's able to build the website. So it's pretty fast, but if you scroll up, let's look at the thinking. So focus on the SEO layout. Yes, boosting the SEO. Those are the goals I mentioned. Features, layout, integrating feature. So it's doing all the thinking before it starts generating code. This is amazing. Let's go scroll all the way down. And then here it explains some of the key features. All right, let me copy this code and we're gonna run this. So I'm gonna go here, paste the code, and here you go. This is awesome. So top menu, home, location, hours, our location. It came up with the address in Dallas. I could have given it a real address, 1234 Fitness Avenue. That's funny. Hours of operation, services, schedule, membership offers. Pretty sweet. This is amazing. All right, so it's able to write the code as well. Now I want to do one more thing. Let's actually try to generate a game and see how it performs when it comes to game generation. So I'm going to say create an autonomous snake game where snakes compete with each other. All right, let's see. What's interesting is last, I believe the code was in HTML. So here, let's see if it does HTML or Python. So it's actually thinking right here. So it's making a decision. Python with the Pygame is a good gaming option. Ooh, okay. So it considered both, but then it picked Python. That's fine. So let's keep going and see if it's still mapping out the idea. That's what I love about the o3-mini and all the new reasoning models. Actually, you can see their thinking pattern. You can see how they are coming up with the solution to the problem that you gave them, or the prompt that you gave them. And here's it's writing code. Interesting. And I believe it is HTML. So it went with HTML. There you go. This is the game setup, snake, game loop, rendering. Sweet. So let me actually copy this and see if we can run it in the same. Oh, this is neat. So obviously I could have given better instructions. Let me see. Let me run it again. This is awesome. So it has multiple snakes. I could have said just to have 2 snakes and have them go play the game with each other. But see how fast this was. In like less than 60 seconds, we got an autonomous snake game that we can view. This is unbelievable. So again, o3-mini right here inside your paid account. You have 2 different models, but if you go inside your free account, you're gonna see when you click this button, reason, you're able to use the o3 models or reasoning models. So inside the free account, so I'm sure there are some limits, and obviously you're gonna get all the bells and whistles in the paid accounts. But unbelievable fast response from ChatGPT and OpenAI to DeepSeek and Qwen. Let me know if you have any questions, if you want me to think of other use cases, especially if it related to business and marketing. I'll be happy to do that. And then any questions, let me know in the comments. Before you go, like and share so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.